I have my mConsent iPad software here and we're connected to the mConsent cloud. And today we're going to show you how easy it is to update your patient's medical history using our mConsent iPad software. So I'm going to select a medical history form and I could pull up a patient of record multiple ways. I could use the patient's chart ID, their name and date of birth, or the patient's phone number. So I'll go ahead and plug that in. Then I'll hit next, and mConsent is going to say, would you like to use patient John Ginn? I will confirm, and then I'll be able to hand over the device to the patient to allow them to make their updates. Keep in mind when looking at our medical history form, this is customizable and we will plug in the information that you need to capture at your practice. So if it looks a little bit different, no worries, this is just for demo purposes. First question, are you under a physician's care now? If the patient is seeing a physician, we could just plug in that, hey, maybe we're seeing Dr. Smith. Then we can read through here and answer the questions as they come up. Alright, maybe the patient has an allergy to penicillin, so we'll select that. And then moving on through, we'll do our updated medical history. We like to make it as easy as possible for your patient so they can move through here rather quickly. Alright. If no conditions apply, we'll go through and hit next. Maybe the patient has had high blood pressure, so we'll just select that. Last thing we're going to be prompted to do is add in any comments. Something that may have been left off that the patient wants to disclose, they can add in here. And then they can sign it and tap to date. mConsent is going to generate a PDF, and then any information that the patient had disclosed would populate the fields. So as you can see, Dr. Smith populated. And then we'll scroll to the bottom. You see that we do have our signature and our date and the notes that we left for the doctor. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. I'm just going to prompt the patient to return the device to the front desk. Let's go take a look at the mConsent cloud platform to see how the forms came over. Now we're looking at the mConsent cloud platform and we're going to want to take a look at the medical history that we submitted over for patient John Ginn. So on my dashboard I would just go down and select the patient. And as you can see, all the patient's basic information would be here, and at the bottom we would have folders for all the forms that were submitted. So let's go into intake forms, scroll to the bottom and look for that medical history form submitted on 10/8. We can go ahead and view that, and as you can see, everything came over just as it should. Any notes that the patient would have left along with their updated medical history would come over in the PDF format. And then of course we have our signature and our date at the bottom. Now again, you can manage these documents through the mConsent cloud platform only, or these could be saved and imported into your existing practice management software. If you have any questions at all, or if you'd like to see a full demo, please give us a call at 877-203-6767, or you can schedule that demo via srswebsolutions.com/mConsent. Thank you.